Alex, just a tiny step this way. Here we go. We are rolling.
All right, everyone, how amazing is Jacksonville University? I may be a little biased.
Hi, Victoria. Thanks for coming out tonight.
Thank you so much for having me.
Honor Society, Greek life, pre-med. You seem to have fully taken advantage of all the great programs at JU. What's your new advice to new freshmen about how to get involved?
I always say to just take every opportunity that comes your way. I just grabbed it with both hands and ran.
Hi, Jackson. How are you today?
I'm doing well.
Thanks for coming. So in the college tour filming, you talked about shark tagging.
Yes.
How cool. Tell us more about your experiences.
It was nothing less than a dream come true. I've had the honor and pleasure of working with a number of different shark species. For my thesis, I worked with my all-time favorite shark species, the great white. And 3 years later, I was able to defend my thesis, and I'm a happy camper right now.
Excellent. What made you want to highlight your experience on the college tour?
Honestly, I feel like JU has given me so many amazing experiences, especially in research, and I think it's made me a better scientist and student, and ultimately I just wanted to show the whole world why I love the marine science program here and what makes me passionate every day.
Honestly, this was my first time doing anything professional on camera, and it was wonderful. Honestly, the entire crew was so sweet. I always had a tendency to talk really fast, so they definitely helped me a lot with that, and they were so sweet. So it was honestly 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean, it was a lot of fun. They were very supportive, and they just were genuinely like wanting for us to tell our stories and just be true to ourselves. So it was awesome.
Excellent. Thank you guys for coming out tonight.
Executive producer and host of the College Tour TV series,